Hi everybody, my name is Deanna and I do this channel with my fiance Kwame, but right now he's eating a bowl of cereal, so he's
doing homework.
He's doing homework and eating a bowl of cereal, and he won't be helping you with this video. But today I wanted to show you a whole bunch of tips on how to make your Christmas tree the best this year with some Dollar Tree hacks. So if you like this content, please keep watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. First thing I want to talk to you guys about is my Christmas tree. I did get this from Amazon and normally it's $80, but don't sleep on TikTok, okay? TikTok gave me a coupon code and it was $28. So obviously I'm sure that coupon code doesn't work anymore, but don't sleep on TikTok. I also want to mention that even though it's 6 feet tall, I put it on top of a box because I didn't like how small it was because I have higher ceilings. And Kwame already put our star up on the tree, so I didn't want to take it down again to show you guys. Hey Kwame. So the first tip obviously is to fluff out your tree as much as you possibly can. I'm going to go into each individual branch and fluff it out to make it look as big as possible. This tree has been up for a while. I think my mom came over and put it up when I got it the first day, but we still have to fluff it out. So make sure you fluff and move all the branches away. Hack is for your lights. You want to make sure that you put your lights in a zigzag motion up and down like that, because if you're doing it in a spiral, you're going to be using way more, and if you get your lights from Dollar Tree, you know that those lights don't connect. So if you just get one string light and then the rest of your lights from Dollar Tree, you can put your one string light up and down like this and then splatter your lights in the back from the Dollar Tree. The next hack is to get all of your small ornaments and picks from Dollar Tree. So this year I wanted to go with white and gold and of course a little bit of hints of silver. So these small ornaments are from Dollar Tree and these picks are also from Dollar Tree. Now adding picks to your tree gives it a much fuller look and it just gives it a different dimension. But all of this again is from Dollar Tree. These bigger ornaments I got from Target, but because I saved so much money on these small ornaments, these were what, like $10? So it didn't bother me. And every single year we get one of these. And I just can't find last year's, but this was $3 from Target. Another hack is to group your ornaments. So because I have 4 or 5 different color ornaments, I'm going to group them while I'm adding them to the tree. And this just helps with the cohesiveness of your colors. Alright, so now that we have all the small ornaments on, we're going to use the big ornaments to fill in some gaps. A bonus tip is to make sure that you're stepping back from your tree so you know where to put your ornaments, because sometimes when you get up close, you can't really see much. Alright, so last but not least, we're going to insert our picks. These picks are super important because for me, it's going to add some color onto my tree, but it's also going to fill in those gaps and make your tree look a whole lot fuller. So far. Now we have to work on the bottom. The bottom needs to cover up some things. So one of my biggest hacks that I want to tell you guys about is our Christmas tree skirts. Okay, Christmas tree skirts go for like $30, $40 and like hundreds of dollars. But you don't want to spend that kind of money. Get yourself a fleece. This is one of the throw fleeces that I found at the same store What store was it?
Home Goods.
Home Goods. So I got this for $15. So I'm gonna use this fleece as a skirt. And this is the end of the video. Hopefully I gave you some helpful tips, and if I did, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in our next video. Peace.